Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make some salmon croquettes or salmon patties, whatever you want to call it. But this is just a few ingredients that we're going to use, but let's jump right into it. Go ahead and open up your 1 can of salmon, pink salmon or whatever, and you're going to debone it. Usually when you pick it apart, all the little bones like this will come out. It's very easy to do, so if you pull it apart, like a long bag of bones just come out. So just go ahead and pick on all the bones out. Some people like to peel off the skin to the dark spots. Some of that I leave in there, but if they have skin on there, I'll go ahead and take it off. But just go ahead and remove all the bones and put it in a bowl. Now we want to get ready and cut up our peppers. You can use whatever color peppers you want, different color peppers, it really don't matter. I just grab one red pepper. People also put onions in theirs. I'm not putting onions in mine because I pick them out, but you can put onions in yours. But you just go ahead and dice up all the onions and put it in that same bowl with the salmon. And then you want to go ahead and crack you open 1 egg. You have 1 can, so you use 1 egg. Go ahead and put that in the mixture. Now it's time to season it. So go ahead and put your seasoning salt, your onion powder, your garlic powder, and your Mrs. Dash. You can really season this to your taste. That's just really up to you and what you like, but this is just a seasoning that I put in mine. But like I said, it's optional to go ahead and put what you want. So now you want to go ahead and add more seasoning. So now I'm adding some mayo. Just put a little squirt of mayo in here. You really don't need that much mayo. Mayo helps binding, and go ahead and add some flour. Flour helps binding too because this is going to be wet. It's going to kind of dry up some of that moisture that you have in there. So that's the purpose of adding the flour. Then go ahead and add you some breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs, I like the seasoned kind that gives you a binding too. You can use crackers, whatever you like, and go ahead and add you some olive oil in there too. Olive oil give it a creamy, I can't even describe it. It just makes this taste good. Just trust me on that. So you want to go ahead and mix all this together. Make sure everything is incorporated. If it's too loose or too wet, add some more breadcrumbs and flour in there, and you will be fine. So after this, we're going to go ahead and just patty them up and set them on a thing. But let's go ahead and get this sauce together. Now with this sauce, I like, you have sriracha sauce, Japanese mayo, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, mild chili powder, and hot sauce. So this is going to make spicy mayo. So go ahead and put your Japanese mayo in a bowl. I don't know how much this is. I'm not good with the measuring, but just you see how much I'm putting in. Go ahead and put your sriracha, whatever you call it. Just throw in some of that in there. And then you're going to go ahead and get your seasoning. This is cayenne pepper. We put in there just a little sprinkle of cayenne pepper. And then you're going to get your garlic powder. And then after the garlic powder, you're going to go ahead and add you in some sprinkles of mild chili powder. So you get this all in, and then you just get a spoon and mix this all together. Oh, I forgot, add a little drop of hot sauce. That's optional, but go ahead and give this a good stir. So when you stir this, you want to make sure you stir this all together so that seasoning that you put in can dissolve. You don't want that to taste crunchy or anything like that. But this is how you just make spicy mayo. It's a very easy dish, and I like this on my salmon croquettes or salmon patties or whatever. But let's go on to the next step. Get you some grease, turn it on medium so you can go ahead and fry it. So once it's hot, you want to go ahead and place your patties in there. So I like my patties a little dark. You don't have to make yours dark, but I like mine a little dark. You can make them to that golden brown, and you let them fry in there, and this is how it will look. So you go ahead and turn it over. See how little dark mine is, but like I said, I like mine like this. You don't have to cook it. And then you got to make this with some rice. So you go ahead and make you some rice with this. Then I'm going to cut it open. Look at the inside of it. It's very juicy and flavorful. I just wanted to show y'all the inside. But then let me just go ahead and get my spicy mayo and put that on the side. And everybody eat rice with their croquettes. But hey, this is how I make my salmon croquettes, salmon patties, or whatever you want to have it. But make sure you like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Let me know down below how you make your salmon patties and your salmon croquettes, whatever you want to call it. Have a blessed day. Until next time.